Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video, I do believe. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link for Amazon will be down below. But if it's their website, I'll leave that link also down below. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe and staying warm. Because it is cold out by me now. There we go. What do we have here? Another box. Oh boy. Alright, let's get into it. Box number 2. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. I'm not sure what this is. Whoa. Alright. This is coming from download Magic Lantern, I do believe. That right there. Okay, we got some little bubble wrap. Got the remote control. Music controller. Ooh. Alright. And we got some stuff like some hooks, suction cup. So we got this thing here. Sound like the there's like an egg. Oh, it's cool. What is this thing? Kind of looks like a cloud. Alright. Got a pretty long cord. And we got the backup you can use also. You can use this. And an app you could download. Let's plug it in first. And then I'll get my tablet. And download the app. Get rid of the twisty. At least it's USB, so it should fit pretty much anywhere in your household now. But yeah, this is different than the Clouds one, like the puffs they use. This is like solid plastic, so this might look better with the lighting. I mean, with the normal clouds that we see on like TikTok and everything, I didn't like those because they have that cotton swab and it attracts bugs and stuff. So I had a few bugs in mine. I didn't like that. I had to get rid of it. But now I got this. I'm gonna be definitely happier with this one. I need a USB port. Hold on. Give me 1 sec. Ooh, nice color. We'll put this in my room where it's darker right now because I got one of those dark out curtains. But you could change. That's the wrong way. Green. You guys see the whole thing. There we go. I like that. Between this color. You see the little clouds over there? This one's pretty cool. Pink, that's pretty bright. There's music. Number 2. playing for games, gaming room, be great for. Kids' rooms, you know, watch a movie in the clouds. Got timers down at the bottom, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Hey. Back to switch. You can make it brighter, darker. Change mode. That's pretty cool. That's cool. I'm liking this. Change the speed up. Super fast. See? Whoa. Yeah, we're gonna have to go to somewhere darker and check this out though. Definitely happy so far. Test run with the app coming up. Alright guys, this is what the app's gonna look like. So when you Google it on your Android, Google Play Store, that'll pop up, or the iOS, Apple, right there, and then install. That should take a few seconds. Be right back. Alright, once you get done installing the app, click on that. Open. There we go. There's a lot of features. See, it has this kind of style. You can always go, and you can see it. Got the purple. You can always adjust different styles. A lot of styles to choose from. That's pretty cool. There you go, flush. That's autoplay. So you got choices. You can use the app. You can use this thing right here, or the remote control you can use. So you got 3 options on how to control the cloud, which is really cool. These will definitely sell out. Magic back. That's pretty cool. Should get this all in one. But yeah, definitely be a nice little Easter gift, birthday gift, you know, housewarming gift, something different. Like I said, great for kids' room, gaming room, you name it room. Check them out. Link's going to be down below. This is an Amazon, so it's an Amazon unboxing. They'll ship it fast to you, and take advantage of Prime membership, free shipping. So it's a win-win. Definitely check them out. All right, be safe. Have a good night.